Hey, hey, hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's 10 a.m. in Paris, France today. It's Sunday, and today I'm gonna be vlogging a lunch setup. So I'm inviting 4 friends for lunch today, including my husband. Okay, my husband lives in the same house with me, so my husband and we're inviting 4 friends for lunch today. So I'm gonna be filming the whole process of me cooking, setting up the table, cleaning my apartment, welcoming my friends, and during the process where we're having lunch. So basically it's not a video about cooking in particular. It's not a video about table setup. It's not also a video about meeting my friends. So it's just like a vlog of everything in between. So come with me guys, let's go discover. I'm wearing this cute pink robe. So when home I like to be very comfortable. Yeah, I currently look like this right now, and when I go to the kitchen it's gonna be different. Of course I'm putting on an apron. Come with me guys. So this is my living room currently. I'm gonna be setting up here for lunch, and oh, my husband is over there and my dog. Hello Paris. Hello. Okay, he's not in the mood. So kitchen, let's see. So I'm now in the kitchen. I have my apron on. So yeah, I told you guys that my outfit is gonna change. So yeah, here's the change. And oh, by the way guys, I'm cooking Nigerian jollof rice. I'm not gonna show the whole process, but you guys would see. So before I kick off my cooking, I'm gonna help myself with some, should we do snacks? No, I'm adding so much weight these days. So I'm gonna do organic green tea. So this is my tea starch, just a little quick tour of it. I have teas for like stress, relax, elimination, detox, slimming. Yeah, these are like my vitamins. So let's have some tea. I'm having my tea with this cute cup that says home. Yeah, well, I'm using it because it's matching my outfit. I told you guys it's matching my outfit. Yes, that's exactly why I chose it. So let's do a quick tour of what I'm cooking today. So I have like my wine stacked here. So white wine, rosé wine, and I have here champagne, and I stacked my water right here. So every other ingredients I need are like somewhere in here and also in the freezer. But let's get into cooking right now. My cooking has started. So right now I'm spicing my chicken. Oh my god, it's not coming out. Oh, so I got like this cute spice thing. So it's like you can have like all your spices like very cute in here. My chicken is all spiced up, and while it's cooking, I'm gonna start my cleaning. Some part of my cooking is currently going on right now. So while it's cooked, I don't have to be there while it's cooking. Basically, I'm just gonna use this time to kick off my cleaning and my setup. Like when I mean setup, I mean my table setup. For cleaning, I like to start with my robot machine. So it's like a clean robot machine. It goes so I need to get it out, and I I need to direct it a little bit to where I want it to clean, and it just goes. Robot, you're going the wrong way. Robot, you're supposed to go this way. So the robot is gonna do a little bit of the cleaning for me. So even though my robot is doing some form of cleaning, I have this local Nigerian broom. Don't ask me how I got it into France if you're Nigerian. So I have this local Nigerian broom, and I have here my table cleaner and my towel for wiping off tables and other surface. Oh, my robot is attacking my broom. So I did a little bit of cleaning, and I am back again to the kitchen. Right now my rice is parboiled. Let's quickly see what my chicken is doing in the oven. Okay, it's going on perfect. Guests would be arriving soon, and this is the most important part of me hosting lunch. I really like table setup, so I'm gonna get into my table setup and you guys can see what I do today. So first thing first, my tablecloth. Okay, I'm gonna close the window because it's really not helping me right now. Ooh. Okay. So I have here my tablecloth. So my tablecloth is all set. And I'm going to get into the next step. The next step is placing one of my decor right here. And now it's time. So I'm hosting lunch for 6 people. Actually, I'm hosting lunch for 6 people. So I'm going to put a table cloth or a thing for everyone. Okay, actually that's not a tablecloth. It's a mat. So I'm gonna put a table mat for everyone. Okay, it's all done. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So guys, as you can see, I did my setup and the table mat is a bit crumbled. So I'm gonna show you guys a DIY how to flatten your table mat. So I'm gonna turn on my air dryer and just setup is done and it's time for me to start putting my dining ware in place. So I'm gonna be sitting here today, so I'm gonna put this for me because I want my own plate to be different. Okay, so now it's time for cutlery. I would be folding them and so you can see my cutlery is matching my tablecloth. The first one I'm gonna do is, of course, mine. I used to work in a restaurant before as a teenager, so I know how to do this so well, at least the style I want to do it. So, golden for me. So the golden one is for me. I'm done with a bit of my setup. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what it looks like currently, and I'm gonna go get a candle stand. I have this cute candle stand. I really love them. And the silver one, which is the one I'm gonna be using today, is I got it on Vintage 3 days ago. So there's like this shop in Paris. So there's this shop in Paris where you take your vintage stuff, your stuff basically, from clothes to home decor to any kind of stuff. You take it to them and you give them as a gift, and they sell it to people and use the money to help other poor people. So it's like a form of charity. So I went there for shopping and I discovered this special item, so I'm gonna be using it today for my decoration. You guys won't believe how much I got this. So I got it for €5. Now I'm gonna clean it up and use it for my decor. Oh my god, the view is beautiful. So this is what my setup looks like currently. Yeah, I know it's lunch, but I wanted to decorate with a dinner time candle stand. So it's a really late lunch that would go into dinner time. So this is what my setup looks like currently. It's 1:30 p.m. and my cooking is done, my table is set, so I need to go shower, freshen up, get dressed, be fashionable before my guests start arriving. Showered and all dressed, even if lunch is happening in my living room, I'm still like very dressed. So I'm gonna show you guys what I am wearing. I'm wearing this cute black jumpsuit from Catch Me UK. So Catch Me UK is a brand based in London. They sent me this as one of their influencers. It's really nice and comfortable for today's lunch. And I have like this tiny home slippers for my feet. I'm wearing this comfortable slippers I got back when I was living in Dubai. I don't know the name of the brand, it's been a while. So now I'm gonna head to the living room and wait for my guests. Out here in the living room, my setup is here, my husband is here. So I'm drinking from my favorite huge glass because baby girl cooked for a lot of people today. And yes, 6 people is really not a lot compared to my previous cooking skills and cooking experience of hosting people in huge parties. Back when I was living in Dubai, I was always doing dinners and lunch and inviting people. So but cheers to me starting same in Paris with even better friends, even more fun people. Let's see, I'm waiting for my guests. Oh, I hear the bell. Okay, so I hear the bell for safety measures. I'm gonna get my sanitizer. So let's see which of my friends arrived. So my dog is always trying to, whenever my dog hears the bell, he's always trying to open the door. So let's see. Okay, I cannot see from here. Bonjour! Hi! Randy is supposed to arrive. Wait. I have sanitizer here. While everybody comes today, they need to first sanitize their hands. Okay, hey, you can come in. Paris is welcoming you. So Randy is here. Randy is the first person to arrive, and of course my husband, he lives here.
Hello Randy. How are you?
Friend is here. Bonjour! Hello! Hi!
Hello Paris.
Take.
Thank you.
Paris!
Hello.
So one of my guests for today brought me these cute flowers. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm starting out my guest here with a French starter. Baby, can you help me, please?
This is not a plate.
Another friends are here again. Yeah, you can see my dog running as usual. Oh my god, I forgot my sanitizer. Bonjour! Hi!
Hello,
Do you want
Paris.
sanitizer?
Yes, please. Let's just wash our hands.
Oh, okay, of course.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello!
Hello.
So my friend Lay and Jola they brought this ginger beer and red wine. Oh my god, love it so much. So all my guests are here. You can see everyone having conversations in the background. I'm gonna head into the kitchen and start my serving. So I'm serving the food in a huge bowl and taking it to the dining area, and everybody can serve themselves from there. just finished eating the main course. It's time for dessert.
Because like in a normal Nigerian marriage, I know. Even no matter how educated, there are many times they want to do this.
So for dessert, we have here ice cream and cake.
I'm not saying I can't help. I said when I can't help you, you shouldn't be angry.
Right against Catholics, against Muslims, against
Alors déjà, moi je trouve qu'il y a trop de bruit. En fait, chacun doit essayer de convaincre l'autre qu'il a raison. Déjà, c'est la première erreur. Il faut déjà essayer d'écouter l'autre avant de pouvoir...
Oh my god, I'm like the
Je vais pas vous dire, j'ai pas l'histoire d'être moi, mais j'ai plus l'histoire d'être blanc. Toute mon éducation, c'est not really, sometimes that is racism in my opinion. But when a white person who is obviously rich,
we have more well-educated whites and well-educated black.
Tourne et danse comme des soleils crachés dans le son déchiré de l'accordéon rance. Ils sortent le coup quand ils sont envolés jusqu'à ce que tout à coup l'accordéon expire. Alors le geste grave, alors je...
So all of our friends just left. It's 10:30 p.m. in Paris right now. So we had dinner here. We sang karaoke and yeah, so everybody just left home. I'm just home now with my husband and my dog. I just want to say thank you guys for watching the whole video of my Sunday lunch meet up with friends and set up. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you love this video. Lots of love. See you guys next time. Au revoir from Paris. Bye.